Introducing the 2025 Skoda Octavia SE2, the OTDI, with 115 horsepower in a sleek grey exterior. This saloon model comes fully loaded with a 2-litre diesel engine, manual transmission, and top-of-the-line features including air conditioning, Bluetooth phone, cruise control, and parking assistance for safety. With ABS, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, enjoy the convenience of remote audio controls, voice control, and wireless charging. This vehicle undergoes a full health and safety check, comes with a comprehensive warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specifications. Call us or visit spiritskoda.ie for more info today.